So starting this year, I want to focus on improving this secret gaming room setup that I have here. A lot of things has changed. So last year, I had a 16-inch monitor. Right now, this is a 22-inch monitor, and I'm connected to my Mac. And the cool thing about this is that it's connecting it wirelessly with the HDMI transmitter and receiver. So I don't have to connect a long cable across this. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is that because I also, when I'm driving, I like to connect this device. It's going to connect to this guy, and then it's going to run Samsung DeX with the speedometer going. That way I can see the speed I'm driving right in center. Of course, this is not center right now because 22-inch is a little too big for my distance with a 16-inch, especially while working. So when I would connect to my DeX, Samsung DeX with the phone, I would just put the phone here, connect this cable to connect this cable here, which is a video cable to the phone. That way we transmit the pictures here. I'll show you that later. So 22-inch, have angle adapter, USB adapter, so one for power and one for video, and they're very streamlined, so you don't see it. Next I would want to hide this cable also. Once I have everything set up, here I would have this is a Key 2 wireless charger. It can charge up to 15 watt. Now I have another one that can charge up to 25 watt, which is iPhone friendly. This screen right here, I had to do an angle bracket so that I can tilt it. And also, once I install this, the screen is actually lower, which is really cool because you can see a lot more in the front. But now I can just tilt it like this or pan it. Ooh. Now I have this like command strip here that makes the car looks really good at night. It has all the lights, and if you like do the turn signal, right, turn signal, so there you go. And volume, not volume, yes, this is also, I think this is volume. I think it might be, no, I don't think it's volume, this is just temperature. I use this more often than any of these buttons here. On the AC or heat, and it just feels good to have a knob dial inside a Tesla. Like, this is so futuristic. And now I'm using it for myself just to prop up a Mac or a laptop or whatever. And down here I have a port. Later on in the future, which is probably today, I'm gonna add a desktop in here. So I use a Asus ROG Ally Go, and I put it right behind. I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore because I'm on the go gaming all the time. But I do want to upgrade to can actually do work too, not just game. I made this, I 3D printed this guy, and also 3D printed this mouse holder so it doesn't move around as much. But this guy is pretty cool. It's actually a hidden storage, so I would do that, and I can see the storage behind down. Close it to hide it, and I have this slit. The light in the back can actually shine through, so that I can see at night. But later on, I do want to clean this up once I have everything. So while I'm driving, you can see lower, unless you want to go like widescreen. But I just connect the cable. I remove it from the to plug it in here. This is a video cable, so now I can have it as good as Samsung recorder in case I need to use it. And this is you see it, but not left or right. This is a game changer for me, because I'm very shy about that, like what people can see on my screen, even though it's just when I'm driving. And also, this compartment is very, very useful, since I can like put my, and it's just a place where I can store all my items. Easy dash cam, and I can see left. I can see the left and right and the back, but where I have a small screen that I see everything. What mirrors. So I think this is a good introduction of what I have single day, and I want to build this out to be more friendly. I can use it to wash hand or wash for the back, and I believe And that's it. Oh, one last thing. Just touch it like this, and with that, so there's gonna be more video moving to what I'm interested in. Thank you.